Liftronic. This is a lift in Sydney CBD. Gosh, this is shaky. I think this might be a Kone lift that's been modernised by Schindler, maybe. It's a nice glass lift. Was that an eco disc? It might be an eco disc actually. It's very shaky though. Take it back up. Watch out the doors this time going up. Hang on a second, now we'll send it down, we'll see if we can see what kind of motor it's got. Just to see what kind of motor has it got, because it might be an eco disc that's been modernised. No, it's not. Right, that's it.